Hi, home cooks! Today I'm in the kitchen making a creamy turkey and rice soup. The perfect blend of tender turkey, hearty veggies, and fresh herbs, all in a creamy broth that's packed with rich flavor. This one-pot meal is quick and easy to make and tastes even better the next day. This is the ultimate leftover turkey recipe. With this easy recipe, you can turn holiday leftovers into a bowl of creamy comfort food goodness. This soup recipe is warm, comforting, and so easy to make. It's going to become a family favorite that you're going to want to make again and again. So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make turkey rice soup. To start this recipe, I'm going to preheat my Dutch oven to medium heat. Once it's melted, add in 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 diced shallot. If you don't have any shallots on hand, you can replace this with a half an onion. Fry until translucent and just starting to color. Then I'm going to stir in 2 chopped ribs of celery, 2 chopped medium potatoes, and 2 chopped carrots. Cover and fry until the vegetables soften and begin to color. Give it a stir occasionally so everything cooks evenly. Now to give us a thicker, rich broth, I'm going to sprinkle on top of the vegetables a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Stir to coat all the vegetables just until the powdery look of the flour seems to disappear. Then I'm going to stir in 4 cups of stock. And to flavor my soup, I'm going to add in 1 sprig of fresh rosemary and 1 sprig of fresh thyme. I still have these growing in the garden, but you can use dried herbs in place of fresh if that's what you have on hand. At this point, I'm going to add in 3 cups of leftover cooked turkey meat that I've already cut and shredded into bite-sized chunks. Now I'm going to bring this to a boil and stir until the broth starts to thicken. Cover and allow the vegetables to soften 10 minutes. I'm also going to stir in 1 cup of uncooked rice. I have a wild rice blend that I'm using here today. Cover and simmer 15 to 20 more minutes, or the amount of time needed for the variety of rice that you're using. Once the rice is cooked and tender, remove it from the heat and stir in the juice from half a lemon, or 1½ tablespoons of lemon juice. This adds a great pop of brightness and cuts through the creaminess of the soup, which makes it extra delicious. Give it a stir and season with salt and pepper to taste. Finally, just before serving, I'm going to stir in 1/3 cup of cream. Anything from 10% to 35% cream is perfect to give your soup the perfect rich creaminess. And this delicious holiday leftover soup is ready to serve. This is a delicious one-pot recipe perfect for chilly nights and simple weeknight dinners. It's ideal for a cozy fall or winter meal. And you can make this any time of year by substituting chicken for the turkey. And as always, you can find a link to the full written recipe in the description box below. Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.